So student, today we will learn English Unit 1, Rain in the Night. This is the poem. Now see what is the rain in the night. So the introduction.
Unit 1, Chapter 1, Rain in the Night by Amelia Josephine Burr. This is the poem about rains which we all love the most, isn't it? There is a small girl like you who is telling about the rain that has been going on the whole night. Sometimes it rained heavily, while at other times.
So this is the poem. This is a poem about rains which we all love the most, isn't it? There is a small girl like you who is telling about the rain that has been going on the whole night. पूरी रात भर बारिश गिर रही थी. Sometime it rained heavily while at other time it rained a little. कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा रेन होता है, कभी कभी थोड़ा बारिश आता है.
It rained a little. With so much water pouring down, the gutters will be full of water. There will be streams on all the.
With so much water, यदि बारिश ज़्यादा गिरी, so pouring down, the gutter will be full of water. पूरे गटर पानी से भर जाती है. There will be stream on all the roads. बहता है रोड पानी से.
Roads. They would automatically wash the feet of all the wandering cats and dogs. These rains will help the plants.
The rains will help the plants to flower. There will be roses blooming everywhere, but the pansies will get muddy in the rain. The poetess will sail her boat now, but before that she is going into the garden with a watering can in her hand to wash the mud of the pansies.
Let us listen to a
Few words now. What is about that poem? Gutter means what? Channel at the edge of a street that carry up water. Pansies, small plants or their lovers. The flowers have purple, yellow or white velvety petals.
Now let us answer
Not
a few questions.
few questions we have that. How long has it been raining? It has been raining all the night long. What effect will the rain have on the kitty roses and pansies? The rain will wash off kitty's feet. It will help the rose bloom in the garden. At the same time, it will make the pansies muddy. What is the child planning to do in the next day? The child is planning to sail her boat the next day. What happens when it rains in your surrounding? When it rains in my surrounding, everywhere there is water, water and water. The trees get washed and look new. The bird chirps happily. The weather becomes cool. And children like you and me start playing in the puddles alongside the road. Now Aesop's fable. This is the second chapter.
Chapter 2, Aesop's Fables.
Aesop's fable.
Aesop was a wise person who lived hundreds of years ago in Greece. These are the stories told by him which have passed from one generation to the other. These are also known as fables. These are short stories with a moral or message. The first story, The Stag at a Pool. This story is about a beautiful and handsome stag. Once while he was drinking water from the pond, he happened to notice his own reflection. He was very much impressed with himself. He especially loved his antlers with their curves. But he did not like his legs. He thought they were too ugly for his otherwise beautiful features. Suddenly, there were hunters around him. He started running quickly with his ugly legs. Very soon he was far away from the hunters. He was feeling quite safe now. But then his antlers got caught in the thick branches. Very soon the hunters reached there. With great difficulty, the stag was able to free himself and save his own life. Thus, he realized that the beautiful antlers had almost made him lose his life. But the ugly legs had saved him. We must remember that very often we dislike the things that are the most useful. The second story.
The dog in the mango.
Once a dog was resting in the mango made for the ox on a very hot afternoon. After a while, the ox returned from the field after a hard, tiring day. He reached his stall and was about to eat the hay. Suddenly, the dog started barking at him. He did not allow the ox to eat his very own food, the hay. After a while, the otherwise peace-loving ox got upset and scolded the dog. The hay was in no way the dog's food. So the ox told him that the dog should not begrudge others what he himself cannot enjoy. Time to look at the words now. Stag.
Stag means a male deer.
Deer.
Stately means what? Grand.
Grand.
Spindly, very thin and long. Brooding, thinking sadly for a long time. Thicket, many trees growing together. Hot on trail, very close to him, about to catch him. Manger, long open box in a cattle shed. Hay, cut and dried grass, used as food for animal. Stall, part of a cattle shed. Beggars, be unwilling to give.
Answering time.
Now question answer. Name the person who first told the fable. It was Aesop who first told the fables. What did the stage like about himself? Why? The stag loved his long and curvy and tall, as they made him look very handsome. What was the stag unhappy with? Why?
The stag was unhappy.
The stag was unhappy with his thin and ugly legs, as they made him look bad.
Happy with his thin and ugly legs, as they made him look bad.
What did the dog do when the ox went near the manger? As the ox went near the manger, the dog started barking at him loudly.
Write the message of each of these two stories.
Write the message of each of these stories. The first story tells us very often we dislike things that are indeed very useful to us. The second story tells us that we should not begrudge other what we don't enjoy ourselves.
What did they say?
When the stage saw his reflection, how handsome I look, how beautiful are these curving antlers, how they
add to my beauty.
how graceful
How
look.
graceful I look. The stag at the end. I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. I
I was so proud of this handsome antler, but they would have been the cause of my death. Very often, we dislike things that are the most useful to us.
Dogs to the dog in the mango. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Find a smaller word hiding. Reflection.
Reflection, reflect.
Reflect.
Delighted, delight.
Delight.
Graceful, grace.
Grace.
Hunter, hunt.
Hunt.
Thicket, thick.
Thick. Growth.
Growth, grow.
Grow.
Dislike, like.
Like.
Afternoon, afternoon.
And noon.
Firmly, firm.
Firm.
Upset, up and set.
Set. Find synonyms for
Similar word.
Delighted.
Delighted, happy.
happy,
Beautiful, good looking.
good looking,
Disgusted, repelled.
repelled,
Bounded, confined.
confined. The stag
Saw his reflection in the water.
We can also see our reflection in a mirror,
Glass and any shiny thing like the carbonate, new stainless steel utensil or thali.
At the same time,
We cannot see our reflection in the dark and hard things like plastic, rubber, bricks, pillow and mattresses.
Let us name a few countries.
India, Japan, China, Germany, Muscat, Kuwait, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal,
Bhutan.
America, many
There are
others.
almost 250
Countries.
countries in the world. Time to find out some idioms and proverbs with names of animals and birds. Ants in one's pants. Bear with a sore head. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Eating
King
crow.
crow.
You can add to this list as much as you wish.
So here one poem and one lesson complete.